In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload an IGTV video on Instagram. Now let's get started right away. So Instagram recently changed their sort of like layout again. Now in the middle there is the Reels instead of the post option, but the post option is now at the top right there. So you can click on post, story, or reel. What you can also do is go to the plus icon right there, and then you can also click on post, story, IGTV video, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to click on the IGTV video, and then here I can basically choose any video I want. So I'm just going to choose this one, and then click on next. Here you can even add, you can choose a sort of like a cover or a thumbnail, and then just click on next. You can give it a title and then a description, and you can even post a preview. So a preview of your video will be shared to your feed and profile, and you can also edit the preview, edit the profile cover and stuff like that. And yeah, once you've done that, you can just click on post, and that will post your video to Instagram IGTV. This will take probably a bit longer than uploading your normal videos, because this one's longer than your other videos. So yeah, that's basically it actually. Now you can also, as you can see, click on keep watching, and that will bring you over to the IGTV. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.